I know inside that we desire greatness in life. All of us, no exception, we want to be great somehow, somewhere, sometime. But we don't want to take that part of it. We do it inside ourselves. We want to obtain something.